Hey everyone, welcome to Error Genie. Today, I'll show you how to fix the stuck at fetching account data from platform error in Black Ops 6. If you're stuck at this annoying screen, don't worry. I've got simple step-by-step solutions for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Restart the game. Close the game completely on your console or PC. Relaunch Black Ops 6. This often clears minor issues causing the game to hang. If restarting doesn't solve the issue, try the next step. Step 2. Go offline and retry. When you're stuck at the fetching account data screen, on PlayStation, press circle to go back and select Go Offline. For Xbox/PC, choose the option to go offline or exit to the main menu. After going offline, press the Touchpad, PlayStation, or select the Retry Online option on your platform. Confirm when it asks to reconnect. Wait a few minutes. If you get another error while reconnecting, keep pressing retry. Let it run for about 5 minutes. It might take a moment to connect properly. This method has worked for many players experiencing this issue. Bonus tips to avoid the error. Ensure your connection is stable and not dropping packets. Use a wired connection if possible. Sometimes, a fresh start can resolve lingering issues. Visit the official Call of Duty server status page to see if there are ongoing issues. That's it. One of these steps should help you get past the fetching account data from platform error and back into the game. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting tips from Error Genie. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!